Lee A Tregurtha may be the most interesting ship on the lakes. She was constructed for the U.S. Navy in 1942. Originally named the USS Chihuahua. She's undergone many transformations over her storied life. Also, she earned 2 battle stars during World War II. This is the story of Lee A Tregurtha. These smaller white and yellow crafts are tour boats, taking customers through the Sulaks, but you can catch some freighters too if you're lucky. When launched in 1942 as the USS Chihuahua, she was a 501-foot-long oil tanker. Her first years were spent sailing the Atlantic as part of a World War II convoy. At least one of these convoys was attacked by a U-boat, sinking 4 other vessels. In August of 1945, she was repositioned to the Pacific, where she was present in Tokyo Bay for Japan's surrender. Once the war was over in 1946, she was decommissioned from the Navy and was transferred to the Maritime Commission. For her service, she earned 2 battle stars, which are still proudly displayed on her wheelhouse. She's had numerous owners since. In 1961, Cleveland Cliffs renovated her into a laker, with a new midsection increasing her capacity. With this, she got a new name, the SS Walter A. Sterling. The coming years saw many additions, including a new bow and stern thrusters, another 96-foot lengthening, and a new self-unloader. Later, the Ford Motor Fleet acquired her in 1985, and she got a new name, the William Clay Ford II. Only 4 years later, she joined the Interlake Steamship Company as the Lee A Tregurtha we know her as today. Her most recent transformation saw her boilers replaced with a modern diesel plant in 2006. At 82 years old, she's the second oldest freighter after the cement carrier Alpina. She's likely the most altered and most decorated ships of the Great Lakes. I'll leave you with a shot of the Arthur M. Anderson leaving the Sulaks, making room for the Lee A Tregurtha to enter the Pollock.